addunyaa kana irratti jireenyi akka fedhanitti namaaf hin guuttu. Yeroo waan tokko hojjetanii tattaafatanii milkeeffatan waan tokko immoo nama jalaa hir'ata. Gaafa kana abdii kutanna jireenya keenya balleessuudhaaf illee yerootti yaalii goonutu jira. Mee jireenya Mr Nicky irraa waan guddaa baradhaa. Harkaa fi miilla malee gara addunyaa kanaatti dhufe. Garuu guyyaa tokko illee abdii kutatee hin beeku. Jireenya isaa gammachuudhaan geggeeffata. Gammachuu guddaa qaba. Waan dhalli namaa qaama guutuudhaan dhalate hojjechuu danda'u hundumaa hojjechuu danda'a. Jireenya nama kanaarraa waan guddaa baranneetu abdii guddaa horachuutu nurra jiraata. Mee hordofnee walitti haa deebinu.
This 25-year-old Australian is climbing over every obstacle life puts in front of him, and he's doing it with style.
You really can do anything, can't you?
There's no harm in believing so. Everybody's going through something. You know, we're all going through something, just my pain is a bit more visible than yours or somebody else. When that clicked, it was like a light bulb when, you know, just flashed in my brain. I'm like, hey. There you go.
Nick is an inspiration with a phenomenal passion for life that's intoxicating for everyone who meets him.
Nice. Give me 5, man. I feel like I'm enjoying life and my life more than the average person out there. That I'm achieving more things than the average 25-year-old. It's great. I'm fulfilling.
Be able to drive a Manly ferry soon.
It's something he's always craved. As a teenager, he was determined to do things his way to lighten the burden on his parents. These days, his life is so busy, he's had to employ a full-time carer to speed up the process.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Thank you very much.
But he doesn't need anyone to help him with his emails.
Do you pray for arms and legs?
Every now and then I do. I do pray for
On the spiritual circuit, his ministry, Life Without Limbs, is now one of the biggest shows in town. So far, he's visited 14 countries and spoken to 2 million people.
6 years ago, you were speaking to 300 Year 10 students at a school in Brisbane.
That's right.
What's the biggest crowd you've spoken to today?
Now 110.
Hugs first.
The day I joined Nick at a Los Angeles church, I witnessed the impact he has.
Give me a hug. Love you.
What are the people in this very, very long queue wanting to tell you, and what are they saying?
Sometimes they actually open up and tell me the deepest of secrets of just they feel comfortable around me and to share just what their brokenness is in their life.
And what do the kids say to you?
Oh, they love the jokes. You know, they touch my little foot down here and we give high fives and give me some skin sort of thing. You know, but the kids, I love the humor and they just it's a wow thing as well. But I think a lot of teenagers are deeply touched. It matters how you're going to finish. Are you going to finish strong?
His appeal to teenagers caps a remarkable turnaround from his school years, a time where he was ridiculed and tormented and suicidal.
Hamis jedhama biyya Tanzaaniyaatti dhalate. Harka malee dhalate. Garuu jireenya isaa mo'achuudhaaf yaalii inni taasisu ilaallee irraa abdii guddaa horachuu ni dandeenya.
Rudia tena. Hatari kweli.
He is called Hamis Rugonda, a man of 40 years old who was born without arms. He is born from Tanzania in a village called Mwisurunzega, known as Tabora, as well as his